guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And in today's video, I wanted to review the new Alani new protein bars. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always on the hunt for a really good protein bar. Now, I love my Built bars. Those are super good. Those taste like a candy bar. I do have a previous video. I can link that somewhere up here for you if you want to check that out. If you love dark chocolate or just chocolate in general, you are going to love the Built bar. So I'll leave that up here for you so you can check it out. But Alani New came out with some new protein bars, and how freaking cute is the packaging, the box at least, or the packaging, right? Yeah, it's so cute. And I love cute packaging. I'm like a sucker for cute packaging. It's aesthetically pleasing to me. So they did Alani New did come out with four flavors, and I do have all four, but I don't have the box for the other three. So this is the chocolate flavor, and this is the chocolate bar. All of them are 170 calories, and they all have 16 grams of protein in every bar. So I'm going to open up all of the bars to show you guys what they look like, how big they are, so you can get an idea of what they look like. Here I go. Oh, so good. This is the protein bar. It looks like a candy bar. It's got chocolate like drizzled all on top of it. And if you're doing Weight Watchers, all of these are only 5 points. And the inside of the bar kind of reminds me of like a Rice Krispie, or even like a Crunch bar. That's really what this tastes like, kind of like a Crunch bar. I can't describe it. It is so good. Once the video is over, I'm going to rate all of the flavors, and I'll tell you which one I like best and which one I probably won't purchase again. So that was the chocolate one. Next we have Confetti Cake. So this is Confetti Cake. And the inside of this one has like sprinkles all inside of it. Yeah, it's so good. And I love that, for me personally, none of these have that really gross like protein aftertaste. And I love white chocolate. So that was Confetti Cake, and this is white chocolate, and then the other two flavors are also white chocolate. They're so good. Next we have fruity cereal. Ooh, this is fruity cereal. And the inside of this one also has like little sprinkles inside, or like whatever the texture is. I'm telling you, the texture inside is like a Rice Krispie, so it has like little colorful ones inside. So good, you guys. It's really hard to believe that this is a protein bar, because I swear this will fix my craving. If I'm craving something sweet or chocolate, this will definitely do the trick. I'm getting dirty. Okay, and last but not least, we have blueberry muffin. Ooh, this smells just like blueberry as soon as you open it. That is blueberry muffin. And the inside, it's got like blue little pieces in there. So they are all really good. Okay, so now that I've shown you all of the bars and I've shown you the size, and we talked about like the calories and the protein that's in all of these, now I'm gonna rank them from best to my very absolute favorite to like my, I don't want to say least favorite. Well, yeah, I guess it is least favorite, but I like them all, really, truth be told. I do. So let's get started. The best tasting protein bar from Alani Nu is the chocolate. This one is the best tasting one that they have. I love it right now, or when I bought them, they had a sale, like $20 each when you buy one box or more. So that's why I decided to buy all 4. I think originally they are $29.99. There are 12 bars in each box. I don't know if they still have the sale going on or not, but I just thought that was, I don't know, like I guess a pretty good price on them, like 20 bucks for 12 of them. Alani Nu is kind of expensive, but I do really like their products. I do drink their energy drinks every single morning. I love them. I'm addicted to the Hawaiian shaved ice. I love that one. So I figured their protein bars would probably be kind of pricey as well. So the chocolate is definitely worth it. I love it. It is so, so good. The next one for me is going to be fruity cereal. This is number 2. This tastes so good. Man, I eat these really, really slow. And I find myself like craving another one. Like I'll eat one when I'm in between meals, and then later on throughout the day when I want something sweet, I'll find myself wanting another one. But I only eat one a day, if that. So then the next one that I really like is Confetti Cake. This one literally does taste like a cake. It's so good. It's so good. They're all really good. And then my least favorite is probably the blueberry muffin. It smells so good. This is the one that has the highest what is it, like the most potent smell is gonna be this one. Like as soon as you open it, like the smell of blueberry like hits you in the face. So if you love blueberry, you're gonna love this one. I think 12 for me is enough though. Like it's good, but for $29.99, I don't know that I would purchase it again unless they have another sale going on. Then I would totally buy it again. But for me personally, for $29.99, I wouldn't buy this. For $29.99, I'll buy the other 3, but not this one. But it is really good though, but not for $29.99. So there you have it, guys. That is my opinion on all of the protein bars. Let me know if you've tried them in the comments down below. Let me know which one you like, which one you don't like. I don't know, because I see mixed reviews on these. Some people love them, some people hate them. But hey, I personally really like them. But I like the fact that they taste more like a candy bar instead of a protein bar, because I don't like that really nasty protein aftertaste, and I don't have that with these bars. So yeah, that is my review and my thoughts on these protein bars. So let me know in the comments down below, like I said, if you've tried them, if you love them, if you hate them, if you have another protein bar that you also would recommend that doesn't have like that protein bar aftertaste. Also let me know in the comments down below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.